Hey everybody, it's Art with A-Bird Freedom Support here with my Kimber DS 1911 Warrior. Now, I had promised a 5,000 round take apart, wear, review style video. Unfortunately, we didn't make it. So today, unfortunately, the DS Warrior is down. But I'm going to go ahead and share the round count. I have been tracking it so that I have an accurate number of where the issue happened. Okay, so the current round count is 4,507 rounds. But more importantly, what happened? Well, now there are a lot of times when the round is fired, it goes to extract the case, but as the slide comes back and the pressure of the next round in the magazine grabs that shell, it literally pops the extractor straight past it. Occasionally it will leave the round in the chamber. So what happened is that 4,500 rounds, the extractor in my Kimber DS 1911 Warrior has given up the ghost. More importantly, I do want to make sure that if I'm going to review a product and I'm going to tell you about it, I'm also going to tell you when it shits the bed. Now, it's not a catastrophic failure, but it is disheartening. So go ahead, stand by for a couple minutes, like, comment, subscribe. Think about what would cause that to happen with the extractor. I'm going to go ahead and pull it apart. I'm going to get that extractor out, and I'm going to show you exactly what has gone on with the extractor. I'm also going to grab a brand new Wilson Combat 45 ACP extractor to show the differences so that I can actually show you what happened. And hopefully I will be sending this information off to Kimber. We'll see, and I'll actually report back to you, the end user, much like myself, and we'll see how Kimber customer service or warranty steps up and handles this extractor. And just like that, we're back. I'm not wanting to pick up any strikes, so I'm not going to show how to pull the extractor or how to reinstall it. What I am going to do, though, is I am going to try to slip it up in front of the camera the best I can so that you can see as it rotates around that the hook portion has literally just worn off of this bad boy. And what I'm going to do also is I will add a close-up picture. I'll just go ahead and put it right there. Just a close-up picture. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab that 45 extractor, and I'm going to show you the significant difference between the hook on the brand new Wilson Combat 45 ACP extractor, just using it for reference to show you the difference in the hook. Okay, just for full transparency, brand new extractor 45 ACP from Wilson Combat. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this one in front of the camera, and believe it or not, even with this inferior camera, as I rotate, you're going to actually be able to see the hook come around, and you can actually see the hook on this one. So unfortunately, on the factory Kimber, that hook has gone ahead and just worn off. It's actually just, part of it is actually physically gone on the bottom side where the round actually feeds in. But more importantly, I'm going to go ahead and break this down on the whiteboard real quick just to show the comparison of the two, and actually I'll draw out and explain exactly what's going on with the first DS Warrior issue. Okay, real quick like a bunny, I just want to make sure everybody sees the difference in the two. This being the Kimber extractor, there's little to no hook whatsoever. It's actually just rounded off. So there's little to no hook there. Compared to the brand new Wilson Combat, which has a very large indention and hook section, it has its point as well as its wall that actually grabs the rim of the case. So unfortunately, the Kimber DS 1911 Warrior suffered a failure of the extractor and only 4,507 rounds. Like I said, hopefully when I put up that little picture, take it with my phone, hopefully it actually shows. You can actually see quite a bit of wear in the base of the hook section. The extractor just literally gave up the ghost. I'd like to be super upset about it. I'd like to be super mad, but I have a feeling Kimber will take care of it. I will keep you guys posted as to whether or not Kimber steps up, if he sends me another extractor, or what they planned it, or what they're willing to do. I've got some faith in Kimber's going to stand behind it. That, everybody, is the first Kimber DS 1911 Warrior issue. Didn't make it to the 5,000 rounds to do the full wear review. At 4,507, the extractor gave up to Ghost. With that, everyone, stay tuned. I'll keep you updated. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so that you get to see what happens when I get a hold of Kimber. I'm going to share it all right here. Till then, everybody, drink water. Stay safe.